Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. When it comes to adding horsepower to your Camaro or Corvette build, there are a few things that tend to go unnoticed, fueling being one of them. Now, not all applications will require a full fuel system, but something as simple as a voltage booster can get the job done easily. The JMS FuelMax here can easily work with the stock fuel pump by increasing the voltage output by up to 85%, and the voltage can be regulated to come in progressively. So an entire fuel system would not be needed if you are looking for just a bit more fuel. The progressive nature of this voltage booster allows you to adjust the ramp in and ramp out voltage, giving you full control over the system. For example, the more throttle that is applied, the more the voltage output will increase. So you can regulate the system to come in as power is needed. This kit will work best with any boosted or nitrous applications. You naturally aspirated guys will not benefit too much from this kit. Installation is going to require a bit of wiring, but JMS has made it simple by supplying the easy to read instructions and all the necessary terminals needed for a simple installation. So if you're looking for a bit more fuel but not quite ready for a full fuel system, take a look at the JMS FuelMax, a simple and easy solution to increase fuel pressure without having to go through the hassle of plumbing and wiring a fuel system in place. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.